Hey everyone, let's see how we can activate the Windows Dark theme when you don't have the subscription. So can you see when I go on the personalization and when I go to the theme, it is not allowing me to change the thing because I don't have Windows subscription. So in that case, what I can do is I can just type registry. So let me open the registry right here. And once you go here you will see one path on the top, right? So here you need to paste one path. That path I'm going to give in the comment, pinned comment or description. I don't know, but I'm going to give it to you. You just need to paste that path right here and hit enter button. You will get something like this where you say app use light theme. You need to double click on it and it is saying one means the light mode and 0 means the dark mode. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it 0 and click OK. Can you see as soon as I make it 0, all the setting page, everything turned black. Okay, so let me show you one more time. So when I say 1, it is turning white. When I say 0, it is turning black. Same thing we need to do right here. System uses light, right? So here also we need to do it 0 and that will also change the theme. So you might be wondering, okay, where it is changing? It is changing on the app level. So can you see? This is my app and now it is turned into the dark mode. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can change it. Obviously there are two options available. This color thing is also available and other thing is also available. I'm not sure this option is for what, but let's give a try. Nothing happens, I guess, so I'm going to change it back only. Okay, so you need to change only these two options, and then what you can do is you can simply close this window, then open the task manager. Okay, so in your case, if the changes are not in effect, then only you need to open the task manager. Okay, and restart the file manager. Okay, so if you go here in the task manager, you need to go inside the all processes, and if you go inside the bottom, you will see one process called the file manager. Right here, right click on it and click on the restart, and that should restart the file manager, which will have eventually dark mode enabled, something like this. Okay, so if you face any issue, then only you need to restart that, otherwise it's completely fine, you can use it as it is. And matter of fact, when you just restart your complete computer, it does add by default the dark mode for everyone. So yeah, that is the one way to do it, but without doing the restart of the computer, there is one way. So that's why I show you, because hence I'm doing recording, I have to be showing without restarting. Okay, so yeah, that's all. If you know, if you want any other tricks, please let me know. Otherwise, yeah, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching, see you in the next.